this is a good question. I'm confused between which to use, Tesamorelin, Sermorelin, or Ipamorelin with CJC-1295. Let's go through it, right? Sermorelin was developed many, many years ago. It was one of the first GHRPs to ever be approved. This was supposed to replace growth hormone with dwarfism, growth hormone disorder, growth hormone deficiencies. Sermorelin worked back in the day. It was like when we first got into this business, that was like the only one on the market.
That used to be like, oh, Sermorelin. That was the
GHRP2 and GHRP6. But, after 3 to 6 months, it doesn't work as good. So that's on the bottom totem pole. The next one up would be your CJC-1295 with Ipamorelin. Really, really good, right? Works very well. It's 2 different peptides working synergistically together to give you the better result of stimulate your own growth hormone in your pituitary. Great. That's a good one. Better half-life than Sermorelin. Works a lot longer for sure. Then you have Tesamorelin. That's the top big daddy dog. Raises IGF-1 levels, so it does better than CJC and Ipamorelin working together. And it has the added benefit of going after visceral belly fat tissue. So,
good summertime one right there.
That is like when I said to somebody, or like even when I was like, holy this is what it does. Yeah. Like, wow. And I'm talking about FDA approval on that one. Like, they had to have studies. They had to have people. Like, it was good. So, Tesamorelin is your best one you can go with. CJC-1295 Ipamorelin. Well, I would do Hexamorelin. That would be second. And then CJC-1295 with Ipamorelin third. And then Sermorelin fourth, if I was going to go into any category or order.
Does it raise insulin? Do those raise insulin?
No.
Okay, that's good.
None. None will mess with sugar levels. And that's a big thing. Because growth hormone, as you know, can mess with sugar levels and actually can turn people to type 2 diabetics.
Yeah.
So
I've seen a lot of bodybuilders. They're like, "Oh, growth hormone, growth." I'm like, "Look, IGF,
yeah,
IGF-1, LR3,
yes.
Oh, growth." And next thing you know, they take growth.
Yeah.
Their head gets bigger.
Yeah.
Their feet and hands get bigger, and they're like literally full of water.
Yeah.
I don't understand it. Like, growth hormone or HGH, literally, some people makes their body full of water. Yes. They're uncomfortable and they're lethargic.